Folks, news is just coming in from America. Probably everyone knows about the bat flu and bird flu now, which has been around with us for some time now, which hasn't been a nuisance for mammals or humans until now. They said it has passed over to mammals and it's killing them off. And this so-called jumper species, as the CDC has said, there's a person in Louisiana who's caught the first human case of this new type of form of bat flu. What do we know about this? Fear mongering I'm going to do again like last time. I want to invite you to take a certain medical procedure to prevent and to protect you against it. Will it will do or not? We should ask the questions because people, last experience, we were told lies about the last thing. Are they telling the truth or they're telling lies yet again? We do not know. Because, the media doesn't seem to be, doing a, front page coverage of this item. They're very quiet. They didn't even mention it about it. But now they're talking. And if it is what it is, if it has that death rate in birds and has jumped to mammals and the mammals onto man, the death rate of around about 25%, it could be really serious, shitty stuff. And obviously, any type of contagious virus or disease, whatever, could easily spread. Regarding the past or the Middle Ages, when travelling you need months on a ship, you only just need only a few hours to travel one part of the continent to another. So, before we start putting bandages on our heads and start panicking, let's really, really scrutinise the news, not to be terrified, and just keeping a monitor on these things because, they're probably crying wolf. It could be something serious this time around. No one knows because, they're containing it a lot. It could be something serious until the last moment. There'll be a huge outbreak and we're back to the same old shit again, like 5 years ago.